welcome back to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Today we are still in 25 days of cookies. So I have already started mixing this cookie. It's everyone's favorite, SNICKERDOODLES. It's a light, buttery cookie with cinnamon and sugar on the outside. It's a wonderful cookie. I know you're going to love it. In my mixing bowl, I already have my butter, my white sugar and brown sugar, vanilla, and my egg. And to that, I'm going to add my dry ingredients, which include flour, cream of tartar, baking powder, and salt. So I'm going to add that in. Now, once that gets all incorporated, we'll be ready to bake these cookies. So, I hope you have been enjoying the 25 days of cookies, and I hope you have been watching. If you haven't watched every day, please check out all the videos. Go to Erika's Best and look at all the videos. Right now, we are on day 12, I believe, 12 or 13. So I believe we are on day 12, and I have just been enjoying baking all these different cookies, showing you some things, some different recipes, and I hope you will enjoy this one. This one, like I said, is SNICKERDOODLES. It is a wonderful cookie. I love these because you can just eat a lot of them. Not that you want to, but you want to because they're just so light and fluffy and airy, and you know, with all that cinnamon and sugar, they're delicious. So I hope you try this recipe. And don't forget, if you like this recipe and you want me to continue making good recipes, then share it with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. You know, leave me a comment. Let me know you care. Let me know you're watching. I want to hear from you. I want to see, you know, how far have I reached out? You know, where are you? Where are you? Are you in California? Are you in Alabama? Are you in Texas? Are you in a whole other country? Let me know. Reach out. Let me know where you at. And let me know what's going on. Let me know what you want to see from me. So I'm going to get my cookie sheet so I can get these cookies on my baking sheet so I can get ready to bake up a batch, and so we can have an opportunity to taste those cookies. So I'll see you in a minute. So I got my cookie sheet ready, and now I am dropping spoonfuls of this cookie dough. It is a little sticky, but it's okay. It's rolling it in the sugar with the cinnamon, and so I am continuing with this cookie dough until we have a pan full, and then I'm going to bake these off at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, and we're going to see what we get. Well, we are back. Our SNICKERDOODLES are done and looking wonderful. I just wanted to mention how good it is to have some of your own homemade ingredients to add to your baked goods. I grind my own fresh cinnamon, and I use my own homemade vanilla extract this vanilla extract. I've been brewing this vanilla extract for over 6 months now, and I have a lot more that's been brewing the same amount of time, but it hasn't been used. So, but using your own homemade ingredients only enhances the flavor, because if you think about it, when they grind the cinnamon from the factory, send it to the stores, then it sits on the shelf in the store, then you get it home, it sits on the shelf at your house, you know, all of those essential oils that give the flavor of that cinnamon are constantly evaporating. So by the time it gets to you, it's a watered down version of cinnamon. Still good, still gives you cinnamon flavor, but this is a more intense flavor. And so I encourage you to try to grind your own spices, you know, toast them and grind them, and making your own homemade extracts. I've made homemade extracts from mandarin orange peel to get me a mandarin orange extract. I've used lemons, limes. I've used mint leaves. I've used, like this is vanilla. I've used almonds. So some of my extracts, they're still brewing, so I'm not able to use them. I just got into making extracts, and just this one vanilla extract has made the world of difference in all of my baked goods that I use it in. So I encourage you to try it too. But these snickerdoodles, they look amazing. I'm going to taste one now, a little one. I'm going to taste one. Oh my God. You'll never want to get another snickerdoodle from 7-Eleven or any other store that sells them. These are absolutely delicious. They're soft and moist, very cinnamony. And you can taste that little twang from the cream of tartar. Absolutely delicious. I hope you have an opportunity to try these real soon. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscription button so that you can be notified, and hit the notification bell after you hit the subscribe bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye for now.